The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Actros STX Motorhome epitomizes the style and ingenuity of mobile life, particularly the Brabus Big Boy 1200. This 12-meter, 26-ton Mercedes Actros chassis was adapted by STX Motorhomes and Brabus to provide an unparalleled travel experience. Performance and chassis: Mercedes-Benz Actros truck chassis, 523 horsepower, 12.8-liter turbocharged diesel engine, automatic transmission. The maximum speed is 56 miles per hour, 90 kilometers per hour. Requirements for driving: size and weight category, CHGV license. Interior facilities with the addition of 4 slide-out modules. The living area, which is roughly 30 square meters, might be increased. The lounge features Sahari carpets, a 43-inch smart TV, and 2 leather sofas with Brabus quilting. The kitchen is equipped with a wine fridge, coffee maker, dishwasher, oven, and induction cooktop. There is a large black table for 4 and designer seats in the eating room. Master bedroom: workstation, large wardrobe, double bed, second TV with PS5. Spa-style bathroom, separate vanity, heated towel rail, rainforest shower, and natural stone walls. Technical specifications: heating and cooling, underfloor heating and air conditioning are powered by 8 solar panels and an energy storage system. Water tanks: 650 liters of fresh water, 270 liters of gray water, and 170 liters of black water. Security: 360-degree surveillance and digital access code. Entertainment: Bose sound system and Starlink connectivity. Base price: around £1,057,000, €1,260,504. Advantages: space: spacious living area with slide-outs. Technology: satellite internet and cutting-edge security systems. Luxury: modeled after private planes. Drawbacks: accessibility is limited by high purchase prices. Size: certain locations have restrictions and special permission is needed. Gasoline efficiency: large engines may use more gasoline. To sum up, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Actros STX Motorhome offers unparalleled comfort and state-of-the-art features for the perfect vacation experience, making it the pinnacle of luxury and innovation in the motorhome industry.